Today marks day 2 of a manslaughter trial that's years in the making. Thanks for joining us for Newswatch 12 at 6. I'm ALICIA Rubin.
And I'm Brian Morton. Raleigh Rodriguez is accused of killing Kevin Mayo by running his motorcycle off the highway in what's been described as a road rage incident. He's pled not guilty to 2 counts of manslaughter. Newswatch 12's Brett Taylor was in court today for day 2 of that trial. Brett, what can you tell us about what happened in that courtroom today?
Yeah, Brian and Alicia, day 2 of the Oregon versus Rodriguez trial finished up a little over an hour ago, which ended up having to be put into recess and will be picked up tomorrow morning at 8:30. Now, across all today, the state called in several witnesses that were present during that crash that happened, again, almost 4 years ago, that ended up killing Kevin Mayo. Now, 2 witnesses that were at that scene, William Cobb and Everett Carroll, both say that they witnessed Mr. Rodriguez moving into the left-hand lane where Kevin was at during that final interaction, where Kevin's vehicle was hit and ended up obviously swerving off into the side of the railing. However, Mr. Cobb states that he had seen both Mr. Rodriguez and seen Kevin Mayo as well, speeding past each other for several miles pretty violently. That was some new information that was released today. Shortly after the lunch recess as well, controversy sparked in the courtroom a little bit today as the state learned that the defense's witness expert had been apparently watching the live feed of the court proceedings over the last day and a half, which the court ordered for witnesses not to be doing. The judge ended up ruling that the state's witness expert would be able to view the same footage that the defense's witness expert was able to view as well. We also learned that from the Jackson County State Medical Examiner, Dr. James Olson, that he stated again in the courthouse today that there was not enough evidence to determine that Mr. Mayo was impaired during the accident, which happened again between him and Mr. Rodriguez. Now, again, this trial will be picking up tomorrow morning at 8:30. It'll be day 3 of the trial. We were told earlier today by the judge that the trial will be hopefully finishing up tomorrow. Newswatch will be here at the scene following the rest of these court proceedings and the rest of this trial as it finishes up. But for now, reporting live at the Jackson County Courthouse, I'm Brett Taylor, Newswatch 12.